The tables has turned. The UK now issued travel warning to Jamaica after a few months ago. Jamaica was the country restricting flights from the UK. Hi again and welcome. This is Links C0vid. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please do the golden rule and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links TV. Let's talk. I trust and hope that you're doing fine, and thanks for joining us for the wonderful program that we have here on this platform. So what we want to talk about today is a travel restriction that was placed on Jamaica recently from the UK in relation to visitors traveling to the country. Now this falls on the heels after Jamaica lifted the ban that was placed on the UK for travelers to the country. Now the table has turned, and this doesn't look good on the tourism side for Jamaica. As you know, Jamaica depend on tourists for a number of reasons, especially for foreign exchange and for creating job opportunities for many of its citizens as well. So let me update you with the latest that we have in relation to this matter, but also update you with what is going on around the world in relation to the spread of the whole entire issue with the coronavirus. As you know, the coronavirus has been here for over a year now, and we've seen this sweep the world by storm. A number of countries are still struggling just in order to curtail the spread of this virus. And as a number of countries roll out their vaccination program as well, we are hoping that this can bring back the countries as well, right across the world, to some level of normalcy. But we have seen what is taking place in India with the spiraling rate out of control as well, and a number of countries as well, they have issued travel ban on India based on this recent development. Well, let me update you in relation to what's happening between Jamaica and the UK in relation to this travel restriction that was recently placed on travelers coming from the UK to Jamaica. So let me update you with that. Despite the decline in COVID-19 cases in Jamaica, the United Kingdom Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office has advised its citizens against traveling to the island except for essential purposes. The advisory was posted on the UK government's website on Thursday under the heading Foreign Travel Advice Jamaica. The Foreign Commonwealth Development Office advised against all travel but essential travel to the whole of Jamaica based on the current assessment of the COVID-19 risk stated in the advisory. The UK government urged potential travelers to check Jamaica's entry restrictions and requirements before travel, noting that these may change with little warnings. The advisory further stated that travelers should monitor for the latest update and stay in contact with their travel provider as stated in the advisory. Meanwhile, the UK authorities reminded its citizens that it is illegal to travel abroad from the UK just for a holiday. For travel from the UK, you must have permitted reason to travel abroad and complete the declaration form according to the authorities. Furthermore, the authorities stated that persons should continue to follow the current COVID-19 rules elsewhere in the United Kingdom, including Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Jamaica lifted its travel ban on flights from the UK on the 1st of May. Speaking in Parliament on Tuesday, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honourable Mr. Andrew Holness, said that the ban was not extended due to the reduction in COVID-19 cases in the UK, as well as the due amount of significant preparation of the country's population being vaccinated as well against the virus. The travel ban were however imposed on India and Trinidad and Tobago effective Wednesday, May 6 to June 2nd, 2021 due to the increase in COVID-19 cases within those countries. Jamaican government has also extended its travel ban on Brazil, Chile, Peru, Colombia, Argentina, Paraguay until the 2nd of June, and this is due to the spiraling COVID-19 rate in those countries. So with this ban placed on Jamaica right now, with the UK asking travelers not to go to that country and except for essential purposes, I believe this will be a damaging effect on the tourism product of Jamaica after the country lifted its ban on the UK on the 1st of May, and now the UK has placed a restriction on travelers traveling to that country. But we'll continue to track this story and just provide you with more information to come on this, as this is a global pandemic that has swept the world by storm and we don't know when this will go. We have seen this claim thousands of lives across the world, and we here at Links 007 TV just is just imploring you, the public, just to follow the safety precautions of your country and just try to find the best way and means of protecting yourself from this virus. We believe we're gonna leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always supporting the movement of Links 007 TV. Have a blessed and productive day. Peace out and bless.